Need money fast? eBay, Amazon, crypto and flipping are all interesting ways to make quick cash, but which one is better for you? Let's find out. Hi, it's Alex here, and in this video we are going to talk about how to make quick cash using assets you already have. You'll always need fast cash, whether times are good or bad. Perhaps you need to pay off a debt quickly or need a major repair to your car. To plan for such scenarios in the future, you should survey your assets, create an emergency fund and shore up your income. In the meantime, there is legit income generation you can do quickly if you are in a bind. Here are a few smart ways to generate fast cash. Number 1. Sell unwanted items. If you have items lying around collecting dust, that's wasted money. Considering using an online marketplace like Facebook Marketplace or Etsy. Many of these digital marketplaces are new and have recently gained popularity. Others, such as eBay and Craigslist, have been around for a while. Facebook Marketplace makes it very easy to sell unwanted or unused items. You can post photos of cars, clothes and musical instruments you would like to sell or give away on the site. There are some important tips here to maximize the chances of selling your unwanted stuff. Do some research so you know what similar products are selling for and try to find a price that strikes the perfect balance between being too high and too low. Also, coming up with a good title for your online listing is key to connecting with customers. Think about keywords. These are the words and phrases people type into a search engine to find what they are looking for online. So if you are selling on the internet, it helps to be savvy here. When a buyer is interested in an item, one of the most important things a seller can do is to be available to answer queries as soon as possible. Even if you do all this, it doesn't always work out. Buyers might not show up or may initially seem interested and then lose interest. Either way, you should keep on trying as the item will eventually sell. You could also ask for a raise. Now, getting a raise can help you earn more income quickly. I'm constantly amazed at how many people tell me they've never asked for a raise. Many feel awkward about asking for a raise or they never have the opportunity to do so. Others are worried they'll sound greedy or have no idea how they should go about it. Although you may feel nervous about asking for a raise, keep in mind that's not as a big deal to your boss as is it for you. Now, salary is a subject they deal with it every day and it couldn't feel more weighty or awkward to them than it does to you. Maybe the most important tip here is the timing. You need to be thoughtful about your timing. To request this raise, you will need to approach your manager, and your manager is a human with normal human emotions. In other words, don't ask to talk about your salary when they are especially harried, upset or nervous about budget cuts, for example. However, if you are in the middle of an important client project, if you've been getting rave reviews lately, or if your manager seems particularly pleased with you, now might be an ideal time to ask. Obviously, you will need to wait a few pay cycles to get that raise, but meanwhile, you could actually ask for a payroll cash advance. You may be able to avoid the need to look for fast cash in the future if you ask for a raise now. Number 3. Reduce your expenses. The first step to reducing spending is to figure out where the money goes. Keeping track of your spending for 30 or 60 days will probably be an eye-opening. Who knew that much money was going toward your Amazon account or Starbucks habit? After all, saving money quickly can be a form of raising fast cash. Also, you may want to look into refinancing your house or car, or even consolidating debt to curb costs. One way to drastically cut expenses is to consolidate your debt. Those monthly payments could be eating up a big portion of your take-home pay if you have credit cards. Check out the card interest payment, which likely is between 16% and 30%. Debt consolidation means combining multiple debts into one monthly payment. Changing your insurance plan to one that is less expensive, or comparing, cable or cell phone options to identify discounts is a simple way to find extra money in your budget. You might not think about it much once you set one up, but money comes out of your account every month. Now it's the time to take a close look. Ask yourself, how much do I use this? Do I really need this? Can I live without it? Take it one step at a time will make it more manageable, and you may be surprised at how quickly you see results. Another way of making quick cash is by selling concert tickets. Well, in the past, people viewed ticket reselling negative. Whenever the word scalping is mentioned, it immediately brings up images of shady characters selling concert tickets on the street for a higher price to people who couldn't get them before they sold out. If you have concert tickets for sale or aren't able to use them, check out websites like StubHub, SeatGeek, and Ticketmaster, where people will buy them from you. Even though it might not seem so to some people, ticket reselling is definitely profitable. Why would someone purchase a $1,000 ticket when it was being sold for $700 earlier? Well, there are two reasons for this. First of all, concert tickets are likely to sell out quickly if the artist is popular. When they cannot get tickets to see their favorite artist live, fans are prepared to pay a higher price. In addition, if there is a last-minute rush for an event, people rush to buy tickets and are willing to pay higher prices to resellers. In order to resell tickets, you must choose your tickets very carefully. It makes no sense to purchase tickets for an event that is unlikely to sell out. The most popular place to resell concert tickets is StubHub. You can list your tickets on the website for free. There is, however, a slightly higher commission fee on StubHub when you sell a ticket than other websites. You will typically receive your money through PayPal or direct deposit to your bank account, depending on the popularity of the show or event. Number 4. Get a side gig. With the ability to work from home, anyone can earn extra cash with a side hustle. You can earn a good amount of money during your downtime, depending on your unique skills and needs. Driving for Uber or Lyft is one of the most popular side hustles. Uber and Lyft have literally taken the sharing economy by storm. Best of all, you can turn on and off your availability through these networks with a single click, which allows you to earn extra income in your spare time. However, you may be able to earn money without putting a lot of strain on your vehicle by working in your neighborhood, for example. The best way to make money fast is to provide a service or resell a product. Start with your skills and problems you've overcome in your own life. How much have you paid to get rid of your problem? There are lots of ways to do this, from simple tasks such as pet waste removal to complex ones such as software development. Additionally, the spring cleaning season may be the perfect time to pressure wash driveways and declutter garages. Number 5. Recycle for cash. Recycling may not be a way to retire early, but it can sometimes bring in some quick money. Some companies will buy old electronics, including phones, iPods, tablets, Samsung watches, and more. The majority of cell phone providers such as Verizon and AT&T offer trade-in programs where you can receive vouchers, gift cards, or other rewards for turning in your old phone. Why throw things away when you can actually recycle them and make a little money from it, right? You can make extra money or help worthy causes by diverting certain items from the waste stream and out of landfills. The item you can recycle for cash range from scrap metal to ink cartridges and from bottle caps to construction materials. Let's face it, you probably won't make a ton of money this way. You could, however, take your cans or scrap metal to a recycling center and you will be paid instantly. You can also get paid for recycling other things such as ink cartridges. Staples, for instance, allows you to return ink cartridges for $2 in rewards. You can also flip stuff. You don't need any money to begin flipping items. Well, that's not always the case, but it could be a good starting point. Usually you can pick up items at a garage sale for pennies on the dollar and sell them online through sites like Amazon or eBay for a profit. There is also free stuff available online from buy-sell sites like Craigslist, free section, and Facebook Marketplace. You can ask your friends and family if they have anything they no longer need. A surprising number of individuals will offload their junk for free just to get rid of it. You will need to choose unique or practical items people will be interested in buying, which can take some time. Finding free stuff is only limited by your imagination. You can also search for bargains at other places once you've exhausted your options to acquire free items to flip, including flea markets, estate sales, auctions, yard sales, thrift stores, websites, and apps. The first step towards a successful flipping business is finding deeply discounted items. You can source that inventory from nearby retail stores or websites with clearance sections. In order to make a profit, you need goods that are highly desirable and worth a lot of money. Keep an eye out for popular brands, seasonal items, and limited edition. People are willing to pay more for products that are branded, since they already trust and like those brands. Resale is a growing market, but trends and current events determine whether an item will be in or out of fashion. I would stick with what you know and like, as this is the easiest way to turn in a profit. Even if an item is, let's say, extremely cheap, don't forget to factor in shipping and other costs. In determining the best items to flip, you should consider your level of interest and your profit margin as well. None of these methods to get some money fast will break the bank. Almost all require little or no capital, though some are easier than others. They are meant to help you get through difficult times. These extra money-making methods may require you to be in certain neighborhoods, while others do not require you to be based in any particular area, but all it takes is being resourceful. At one time or another, we've all been in a bind. But to the person who has committed to something, anything is possible. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you got any value from this video. It's 2022. Subscribe if you like, hit the notification bell if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.